And the seal even came up to
Now
us.
the red tide's gone, they're all happy.
Yeah, this seal came up to us.
Oh, the dolphins are having fun. They're playing with the seal.
Aww.
He likes us. The little seal's
He likes us.
The little seal's like, oh, hi. So, right now we just saw a bunch of like dolphins.
And this
seals.
seal started swimming so close to us.
Like he's over there.
And it made a weird noise.
Yeah, he went like. He was like,
He's like a lamb.
yeah, oh, he's coming back. Guys,
Yeah.
I want to watch him. Oh, let him come back to us.
Aw, where's its mom? Actually, I don't really want to know, but just let him go. It's like,
Where'd he go? He's going underwater for a while ago. That was so. There he is. Oh,
Hi, buddy.
Bobby.
Hi, buddy. Hi.
Bobby.
Bobby. Bobby.
Yeah, come up, Bobby.
Come on, Bobby.
Oh, Bobby just did a cool trick for us.
That was so rad. He said, I can do this and that.
where'd he go?
He went under.
They're sneaky.
He's having really fun.
There he is.
Yeah. Oh, he's
No. Bobby seal. Oh, he's sneaky. That little guy's sneaky.
Bobby, no. Where is he?
Bobby's gone. Go.
Keep an eye out for Bobby. He's gonna sneak up right on the back of the boat.
Bobby, say hi. Bobby.
Where's Bobby?
He's right there.
He is?
No.
Okay, we're gonna keep going. Stop.
Bobby's
the
having a lot of
Save the
fun.
battery. Save the battery.
Let's go. He'll jump off. Sing it right.
Oh, Bobby! Bobby was on there! Are you kidding me? Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
I thought you guys were kidding when you said he was back there.
Yo, try
Bobby! Oh my God, Bobby! Bobby! Oh my God, Bobby's fast!
That was so scary! Oh my God, it was so fun!
That's never happened before.
Oh my God, Ellie, that